Hello there, and welcome to this brief demo of the cone program from the FlexIt Suite. My name is Michael, one of the product specialists here at LaserJumpStart, and I'll be showing you some of the features of this program. So the cone program is similar to the other programs in the FlexIt Suite in the fact that it does not need an image in order for it to generate what it will. So let's go ahead and click on cone right there, and we're brought to this menu. These menu options right here are very similar to what you see in many of our other ones, but just a brief overview. The material thickness is the thickness of the material that you're cutting. The cutting kerf is the thickness of the cuts made by your laser. And then the tab width is the width of the tabs used to keep your pieces together. Remember, I do have a video on cutting kerf if you need some more information on that or how to calculate it. Now the top and bottom features determine how the top and bottom features will generate. Lid, it will just generate another side, much like the other sides that it already generated, with tabs to keep it all together. None, it will not generate a side there, and so the walls will be flat on that side. The plug feature, it will generate tabs in order for it to be able to plug into another feature, into another object. And then plug with hole, it will do the same thing, except it will plug into a hole so there's a hole on the other side. Think of it like the top of a cowboy hat would plug into the bottom of a hat, and that hole being on the other side where your head goes. So the dimensions here are fairly straightforward. The bottom and top radius do include the tabs with those radius there. And then the height is the total height of your object, of your cone. And the eccentricity is how far it leans to one side or another. 0 means that it's straight up, but then any number above that would mean that it would lean to the side. Now, it is dependent on the height at top and bottom radius, and so with certain circumstances, you may need a bigger number to achieve what you want or a smaller number to achieve that same amount of lean. So you will have to experiment a little bit with that. Cut color is orange by standard, but you can change it to whatever setting you need for your system. The output flexibility does determine how flexible those corners are. The higher the number, the more flexible they will be. However, in order to achieve that flexibility, it does make more cuts in the material, so keep that in mind. The joint style is the cut pattern in those joints, and so if changing that will determine which one that it will go for. Then side count is how many sides to this cone you want it to have. So right now it's at 16. If we changed it to 4, it would be a pyramid. And side segment count is how many pieces it takes to create all of those sides. Right now it's selected on 1, so it would just have one big piece that would cover all 16 of these sides. Or I could change it to 2 pieces, each of them have 6 sides, 4 of them 4 sides, 8 of them 2 sides, that sort of thing. The dovetail feature here, in order to connect these pieces together, or the ends of this one piece or the ends of these 2 pieces together, you can select on dovetail, and it will have a dovetail joint in order to keep those pieces together. Alright, and that was a brief demo of the cone program. Thank you for watching our video. I hope that it helped you out. Check out our website to see all of our programs available, as well as materials that we have made specifically for lasers. If you'd like a one-on-one training session with one of our product specialists, we provide those services as well. Check out the video card on your left if you'd like to find out more about the FlexIt Suite, or the video on your right if you'd like to find out more about some of our other programs, such as the FlexIt Suite. This has been LaserJumpStart, helping you make more with your lasers.